Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. So, dear friends, there are total 8 पैटर्न आर इन द लिवर. हमारे लिवर में कुल 8 प्रकार के पैटर्न पाए जाते हैं. If we understand all the 8 pattern very properly, then we can treat all the disease. Out of 8 patterns, there are 2 patterns are the patterns of deficiency. दो कमजोरी वाले पैटर्न है. एक में ब्लड की कमी हो जाती है तो दूसरे में पानी की कमी हो जाती है. Means there are 2 deficiency pattern. In one, there is a deficiency of blood. Liver is not having enough blood. In the second pattern, liver is not having enough yin, or because maybe mother is not giving. So there are 2 patterns are the patterns of deficiency, right? And the 6th pattern are the pattern of excessive energy, excessive chi, or excessive pattern. So we have to understand 8 patterns. Then we can treat whatever the problem happening in the liver meridian. For example, someone is telling you, oh, I am suffering with the dry eyes. मुझे आंखों में ड्राइनेस हो रही है. Okay, आंखों में ड्राइनेस हो रही है. So which meridian is covering the eyes? Liver meridian covering. What is deficient? Water. What do we have to increase? Water. So what is the diagnosis? Liver yin deficiency. Is it clear or not? Liver yin deficiency हो गई है बस. लिवर yin deficiency को बढ़ाना है. Got it? Okay. So liver meridian is going just, I will show you the root, and you see the root of the liver meridian and think what problem might happen in this root. कि आखिरकार इस रूट में क्या क्या तकलीफें हो सकती हैं. Just look at the root of the liver meridian. Okay, let's see here. So look at the root here. So we can see this is the root of the liver meridian. We can see. Now what problem might happen in this root? इस रूट में क्या क्या तकलीफें हो सकती है. There might be knee pain. There might be genital problems, uterus problem, prostate problem, or the gallbladder stone. There might be fatty liver, liver problem, cirrhosis of liver. There might be heart problem. There might be throat problem. There might be problem in the lips. There might be problem in the eyes. There might be problem in the head, because the liver meridian reaching to the governing vessel 20. So now person is telling you, I'm suffering with the vertex headache. कि सिर के टॉप में दर्द हो रहा है. There is a vertex headache. The headache on the top of the head. उसे यहां पर दर्द है. वर्टेक्स में. What is the diagnosis? The diagnosis is liver blood deficiency. or liver imbalance, maybe some other imbalance. Now suppose some female has removed the uterus, done the hysterectomy, किसी फीमेल का यूट्रस निकाल दिया यहां से. Now after removal of the uterus, this area will be empty. ये एरिया खाली हो गया, एम्प्टी हो गया. And area got disturbances because uterus is the very important part. So now this energy will get disturbed and person might suffer with the vertex headache. So many times vertex headache is telling you the condition of genital organs. So we need to release the suture, sagittal suture, because energy is stuck in this sagittal suture. Yesterday I demonstrated you how to release the sagittal suture. But the diagnosis of the vertex headache, liver blood deficiency. I will tell the protocol of the both deficiency tomorrow. Because only two deficiency. Number one, liver blood deficiency, and number two, liver yin deficiency. दो ही प्रकार की deficiency liver में, और 6 प्रकार की excessiveness है. Right now we have to understand, okay, where liver is meridian is going. Liver meridian passing through the knee. Liver meridian is also passing through the knee. Some person is suffering with the knee pain. Here, it also is having connection with the liver. Now, I'm directly jumping to the eyes. I'm coming to the eyes. Eyes are connected with the liver. अब बताइए, आंखों में पानी कहां से आ रहा है? लिवर से आ रहा है. Now, please don't think in a different way. Someone asked me, in the liver we don't have area to fill the blood. How the liver is the storehouse of blood? लिवर में ब्लड कहां भरेंगे? लिवर कोई ग्लास की तरह थोड़ी है कि आपने लिवर को खोला और भर दिया ब्लड उसमें. Yesterday someone asked me. Question is logical, but liver, what is the color of liver? I asked earlier. What is the color of liver? क्या लिवर का कलर कैसा है? Tell me, बताइए. What is the color of liver? Red is brown because of blood, right? Have you seen the sponge? In the sponge, there are lots of blood. Sponge. Liver is the storehouse of blood. Got it? Eyes. Eyes are getting energies from the liver. अब आप बोलोगे कि आंखों से liver का connection. Even we know this, that the eyes are very deeply connected with the liver. One patient came to me, doctor, I am putting eye drop every 4 hours. हर 4 घंटे में आंखों में आई ड्रॉप डालना पड़ता है. Because my eyes are dry, no tear formation. आंखें सूख गई हैं और आंसू नहीं बन रहे हैं. What is the treatment? Liver yin deficiency. It's clear? Okay. Can you tell me nowadays why the most of the people are suffering with the liver yin deficiency? Because of excessive mobile use. Suppose you are using the mobile. You know, when you are using screen, using the screen, mobile, laptop for longer time, then more water needed, the water of the eyes are drying. आंखों का पानी उससे सूख सूखता है. You need more liver yin. Liver has to send more yin to the eye, right? If the person is suffering with the liver yin deficiencies and watching and spending more time on the screen, then it will make the liver more deficient. Then it becomes very difficult to treat. Okay, in the eyes it's visible. चलो आंखों में तो दिख रहा है. अब मानो लिवर मेरिडियन तो ब्रेन को भी जा रहा है. Tell me, what will happen in the brain if liver yin is deficient? ब्रेन भी सूख जाएगा. सूख जाएगा कि नहीं? Brain will also get dry and the person will be getting the problems like forgetfulness, Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson. There are many diseases are connected with the liver deficiency, either the liver blood deficiency or the liver yin deficiency, because liver play very important role for the brain. Right now I am speaking. You are listening? You are listening or not? But you are using your brain also. Am I right? Why you are able to use your brain? Because liver energy is ascending till the brain. Then you can able to understand what I am telling you. Without the liver, you will not able to understand anything. लिवर के बिना आप कुछ समझ ही नहीं सकते. The liver energy is ascending and coming till the brain because we know the DU20 is the area of liver. Okay, now do one thing. या एक कपड़ा बांध दो ऐसे और लिवर की एनर्जी को आने मत दो, तो क्या होगा? Don't allow the liver energies coming up. I am just giving. कपड़े से तो कुछ नहीं होगा. Sometime what's happening? The lots of phlegm, lots of kapha, lots of dampness, not allowing to liver energy going upward. Then liver energy stuck, want to go up, but not sending upward. Then what is happening? Even I am speaking, but you will not understand anything. आपने कभी ऐसे देखा है कि आप कोई कुछ बोले जा रहा है लेकिन आपका दिमाग कहीं और है, तो आपको सुनाई नहीं दिया उसने क्या बोला? ऐसा हुआ है कभी? है ना? ऐसा होता है ना कि many times it's happening that we are listening something but our mind is somewhere else. We don't know we are not aware what someone has told. It means we are not listening with the ear only. We are listening from the ear, but when your mind is connected, and mind is connected through the liver. Remember this. That's why liver is Buddha. Am I right? Liver is Buddha or not? That's why we are telling, okay, facing the east and do the meditation. We are telling the kids, okay, facing the east, do your study. ईस्ट में मुख करके पढ़ाई करो. क्यों? ईस्ट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ बुध. Improve your Buddha energies. Then the more energy ascending upward, reaching to the brain, you will able to understand. Once the liver energy got stuck, not reaching to the brain, then you will be suffering with the multiple brain disorders. आपको कई प्रकार की बीमारियां हो सकती हैं फिर. So in this way, Some problems happening around the lips because of livers. Some problem happening around the genital area because of the liver. The gallstone happening, we have to treat the liver, means liver and gallbladder both. So before proceeding further, okay, how many patterns in the liver total? How many patterns? Total 8. Deficient pattern, 2. Excessive pattern 6. The deficient pattern are, one is blood deficiency in the liver and yin deficiency in the liver. It is clear? Excessive pattern I will discuss, but right now. So few things here. Suppose we want to treat the liver, so few formula we have to remember, because few things we have to remember. Whenever you want to treat the blood anywhere in the body, the blood problem anywhere in the body, suppose you want to improve the blood, you want to work on the anemia, आप ब्लड को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, आप एनीमिया को ठीक करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको ये 2 पॉइंट जरूर लगाने होंगे. स्प्लीन 10 is the special point of blood and UV17 is also the very good point for blood. Always remember, you have to always use these point if you want to improve blood. तो जब भी हम ब्लड की बात करें, आप फट से 2 पॉइंट बताइएगा. कभी हम बोले liver blood deficiency, you have to tell these 2 points. Then we will add some more point. I will tell heart blood deficiency. Okay, I will tell, whenever I will tell blood, okay, blood stasis, blood stagnation, whatever blood, if blood is coming, suppose I am telling liver blood stasis, we have to understand what is liver blood stasis. Liver blood stasis means fibroid in the uterus. यूट्रस में होने वाला फाइब्रॉइड. जब किसी महिला को यूट्राइन फाइब्रॉइड होता है, तो लक्षण तो उस समय मिल जाते हैं जब फाइब्रॉइड बना नहीं है, लेकिन उनको ट्रीट करता नहीं है कोई. Immediately symptom starts. 15 years ago, like suppose some females start getting some symptom at the age of 35, but she is not bothering for the symptoms. At the age of 45, she will see uterine fibroid. Okay, so whenever I will tell blood, we have to remember 2 points, right? Okay, now whenever I will tell, okay, improve the chi, urja ko badhao. Whenever I will tell you, okay, now improve the chi, maybe in the heart, maybe in the spleen, maybe in the lungs, maybe in the kidney, anywhere if I tell you improve the chi, always remember these 3 points. CV6, CV12, stomach 36, and tonify all the 3 points. तो जब भी हम ची की बात करें, तो आप हमेशा ये 3 पॉइंट को टोनिफाई करिएगा. And whenever I ask you, tell me how to improve the chi of lungs, you will tell these 3 points. How I should increase the chi in the heart, you have to tell these 3 points. I will expect from you, whenever I ask you, please tell me the point to improve the chi here, you have to tell me 3 points. Then we will add few more points. But these are the 3 basic points. You know what is chi? The meaning of chi, what is chi? The meaning of chi that you are having good immunity. ची का मतलब क्या है? ची का मतलब है कि घर के अंदर भी खूब खाने पीने का सामान है, बॉडी के अंदर खूब अच्छा खाने पीने का सामान है, और बॉडी के बाहर भी कोई डंडा लेके खड़ा है कि कोई बैक्टीरिया वायरस आक्रमण ना करे. ये अगर दोनों घटनाएं हैं तो हम बोलेंगे ची इज गुड. ची मीन्स our outer defense is good and internal availability of the nutrition is good. That is called good chi. Got it? So chi is good. We are having wonderful immunity. So these 3 points we have to work if we want to improve the chi. Next, if we want to improve the fluid in the body, अगर हमें शरीर में पानी बढ़ाना है, पानी. If we want to improve the fluid in the body, always remember these 2 points: kidney 6 and spleen 6. Then we will add few more points. But these 2 points are the basic point. Kidney 6 is the जलाशय, ये जलाशय है. kidney 6 water pond. This is the water pond. So with the help of these 2 points, we will improve the fluid. हमें पानी बढ़ाना है, शरीर में ड्राइनेस आ गई है, स्किन इज ड्राई कफ, ड्राई स्किन, anything is dry, we want to send the blood. Always activate 2 point. Kidney 6 is the pond, water pond, पानी का तालाब है, और दूसरा spleen 6. Okay, so in this way we have to remember these 2 points. Now whenever I will ask you, okay, improve the yin, yin का मतलब क्या है? अभी after this class we will sleep, then our mind will be cool, our body will get relaxation, our internal healing will start. That is yin. Yin means be nourishing. Yin means, that's why we are comparing female with the yin and male with the yang. Female means who is providing nourishment, and male who is providing defense. इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि yang का मतलब है सुरक्षा, और yin का मतलब है खाना पीना, नरिशमेंट. रात को हम सोते हैं क्यों? क्योंकि हमने दिन भर इतना काम किया, हमारी सेल्स थक गई हैं, हमारे टिश्यू थक गए हैं, इनको आराम मिलना चाहिए. We want to give the relaxation to our cells, to our tissue, to our system. So as soon as we will sleep, automatically yin will be increasing. Yin means fuel, availability of the fuel. When we are sleeping in the night, then we are refueling our car with the petrol. हम पेट्रोल स्टेशन में गए और हमने कार खड़ी कर दी, बोला भैया पेट्रोल डालो, उसने डाल दिया. बॉडी में ऐसा नहीं, बॉडी में क्या होगा, हमें सोना पड़ेगा. When we are sleeping, automatically body will be getting full of fuel. Morning we are getting up and we are ready to work. If we are not sleeping, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, many days, or suppose someone is suffering with insomnia, then body is not filled with the fuel, then getting very faster degeneration. उसका शरीर बहुत जल्दी से degenerate, मतलब एक गाड़ी है बिना पेट्रोल के खींचे जा रहे हो. That's why the person is having good sleep, having good healing properties. So now many times we want to improve the yin. हमें कई बार yin को बढ़ाना होता है. We want to improve the yin. So always remember these 4 points, and it is called 6666 formula. 6666 formula to improve the yin. To improve the yin means we are giving fuel to body. Fuel to body. So kidney 6, pericardium 6, heart 6 and the spleen 6. Tonify all. हम जब इस 4 पॉइंट को टोनिफाई कर देते हैं तो हमारा शरीर की फ्यूलिंग हो जाती है. Our body is getting fuel. Now suppose I want to improve the heart yin, I will add these points plus some point of the heart. Suppose I want to improve the kidney yin, I will use these points, maybe some point of the kidney. I want to work on the lungs yin, I will use these points, maybe some point of the lungs. But these are the basic point. ये हमारे सबसे basic point है, right? So that is called 6666 formula, one of the great formula to improve the yin, right? Now, if we want to improve any meridian, the wonderful points, wonderful method to improve any meridian. Now suppose I want to decorate my room. अगर मुझे अपने रूम को डेकोरेट करना है, what I will do, first I will clean the room, then I will decorate the room, right? Cleaning is also necessary. So in the body there is a wonderful system. In the body, what's a wonderful system? I will show you in this image. Look at this. I am bringing you your focus on the urinary bladder channel. So we can see the urinary bladder channel. So in the urinary bladder channels, we are having double line. Only this is the channel having double line. कभी आपने सोचा है कि double line क्या है? One is the inner line, one is the outer line. Same on the other side. So outer line is for cleansing. And inner line is for strengthening. Outer line is doing lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage means cleansing the meridian. And inner line is improving the meridian. Now we know there are Baksu point. Now we already aware with the Baksu. What is the meaning of Baksu point? Baksu point का मतलब क्या है? In the urinary bladder meridian, we are having remote point of the entire body. The remote point of the entire body we are having here. Like we are having the point of lung, we are having the point of heart, we are having the point of liver, we are having the point of gallbladder, stomach, spleen, kidney, every meridian. So the inner point of the lungs, it will strengthen the lungs, and at the same level here, it will cleanse the lungs. I will repeat. Suppose I want to work on the heart. So this is the 15 number point. It's a very good point for the heart. It is the Baksu point of the heart. At the same level, this point will do cleansing of the heart, lymphatic drainage of the heart. तो हमने क्या किया कि हमने ये पॉइंट को एक्टिवेट कर दिया, guasha कर दिया, cupping कर दिया. We have done the guasha, we have done the cupping. At a time we are doing lymphatic cleansing. That's why it's very important. If the patient is coming to you with any problem, you on the day one you do mild cupping or cupping massage. So day one, because initially we should start with the cleansing. At a time you are doing cupping massage, it's doing cleansing as well as the strengthening, because at a time we are activating both the points. So now, suppose I want to strengthen the heart meridian, I have to focus on the heart Baksu point, both lung Baksu point, kidney Baksu point. That's why there are two lines. In any other meridian, have you seen two lines? किसी भी दूसरे मेरिडियन में दो लाइन देखी है हमने? नहीं देखी. ये दो लाइन स्पेशल पर्पज के लिए. द आउटर लाइन इज कॉल्ड द लाइन ऑफ lymphatic drainage, and the inner line is called the line of remote point or the Baksu points. Got it? So now I'm coming to the point. If I want to work on any meridian, मुझे किसी भी मेरिडियन पे काम करना है, 3-4 point I will take and I will improve the meridian. What are the 3-4 points? Let's see here. So look at here. Formula to improve any meridian. Number one, I will take the source point of that meridian. उस मेरिडियन का मैं सोर्स पॉइंट लूंगा. Number two, I will take the Baksu point. Just I told you, both the Baksu point, inner and outer. Maybe I will do cupping, maybe I will do needling, or the guasa, or massage, or acupressure. And I will take the mother point, because mother point always do tonification. If I want to improve any meridian, source point, Baksu point, and the mother point. Remember one thing. We know mother. What is the role of mother? The role of mother is giving nourishment to the child. माँ का काम है बच्चे को पोषण प्रदान करना, राइट? यूनिवर्सल मदर तो किडनी है, सबकी माँ किडनी, क्योंकि किडनी से ही तो सब पैदा हुआ है पहले, राइट? So the energy of the kidney is having the tremendous amount of the energies which is sending to every meridian, right? For example, suppose I am kidney. I'm sending little energy to Bindra ji, little energy to Preeti ji, little energy to Pavan ji, little energy to Lakshana ji. Okay, catch it. Catch kiya? Catch kar. I'm kidney. So catch it. Hold this. So where you are holding the energy of the kidney, that point is called source point. Source. What is the name of that point? To Jaya ji. Source point. So source point is one of the great points. Suppose lung is having weakness. Lung will tell kidney, mama. Kidney will. So the source point are the point who are receiving the energies from the kidney. The full form of the source point, full form of the source point are yawn source point. Yawn means kidney energies, right? Whenever you want to improve any meridian, activate the source point. Activate source point. Right? Whenever you want to improve any meridian, activate the mother point and backsu point. That's it. So why I'm discussing this? Because after that, if I discuss with you protocol formation, you should have some ideas. अगर हम प्रोटोकॉल फॉर्मेशन की बात करेंगे तो कुछ आइडिया पहले से होना जरूरी है कि आखिर ये पॉइंट क्यों लिए जा रहे हैं. So formula to improve any meridian source point. For example, if we talk about the heart, this is the heart meridian. And this is the heart 7. Heart 7 is called source point or the yawn source point. It is receiving energy from kidney. If we tonify the heart 7, then heart meridian will be getting good strengthening. In the same way, if I take the example of, suppose I will take the example of lung. This is the lung meridian. And this is the lung 9. Lung 9 is the source point. So lung 9 is connected with the kidney and receiving the energy of the kidney. Right? If we tonify the lung 9, then automatically there will be increase the energy of lungs. So source point are one of the great point. आपको किसी भी मेरिडियन को इंप्रूव करना हो, आपको ना ध्यान आए तो गूगल में डाल देना, okay, what is the source point of kidney, what is the source point of lung, heart, spleen. If you tonify any source point, it will improve the energies. And backsu point just we have discussed. Backsu point. Mother point will discuss in the future. आपको पता ही होगा वैसे मदर पॉइंट, नहीं पता है तो आई विल डिस्कस इन द फ्यूचर. So this we have discussed very basic things, very basic things. Now one more basic thing I want to discuss with you. Whenever we want in our body is very beautifully designed. In the body, how many bones we have? हमारे शरीर में कितनी हड्डियां हैं? 206. Right? So now in the body we are having there 8 points. हमारे शरीर में 8 ऐसे points हैं जिन्हें हम कहते हैं influential point. They are called influential point. All the 206 bones and each and every bones if we having any disharmony in any bone, like the osteoporosis, osteopenia, degeneration of the bone is not developing properly. So there is a one point that is called UB11. It is the minister of all the bones. It is called influential point. तो हमारे शरीर में केवल 8 ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल पॉइंट, हमारे शरीर में 8 इन्फ्लुएंशियल पॉइंट है. 1 for bone, one for bone marrow, one for blood, one for blood vessels, 1 point for all the 6 yin meridian, 1 point all the 6 yang meridian, 1 point for chi, and 1 point for muscle, nerve, and tendons. Maybe I will send you the video of this, because influential point is a very basic concept, but we should know. अभी क्लास के बाद मैं आपको एक वीडियो भेजूंगा इन्फ्लुएंशियल पॉइंट का, तो जिनको नहीं पता वो देख लीजिएगा. Influential point means, like for the all 206 bones, we have 1 point, UB11. If any disharmony happening in any bone, we will stimulate the UB11 and it will work on the disharmony. In the same way, any disharmony happening with the blood will take the influential point of the blood. Influential point is having very great influence. इसे हम ऐसे समझते हैं कि हमारे भारतवर्ष में कितने सारे मिनिस्टर्स हैं. I will take only one example. There are railway ministers. If any disharmony happening from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, anywhere which is connected with the railway, so the railway minister has to take the responsibility and do the resolution. So railway minister is the influential point for all the rail department. In the same way, one minister for agriculture department. If somewhere raining is not there, agriculture crop is not there, then the agriculture minister will do the planning, some planning to improve the agriculture. तो ऐसे अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट, एक मिनिस्टर को एग्रीकल्चर का डिपार्टमेंट दे दिया, एक मिनिस्टर को रेलवे का डिपार्टमेंट दे दिया, ऐसे अलग अलग मिनिस्टर को अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट दे दिए. In the same way, the human body, we are having 8 ministers. Every minister having different department. One minister is having department of bone, one for bone marrow, one for blood, one for blood vessels. In this way, they are called 8 influential points. So go through with the video, you will understand. And I think it's clear. Till now it's clear. Everything is clear. Maybe influential point I did a little faster because I am going to send the video. So I'm not investing my much time. Maybe in that video, in entire class, I have just discussed influential point. So you can see the video and you can understand. So now we'll continue the class tomorrow. Enough for today. We'll continue all the 8 patterns of the liver with the protocol and everything. So thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Good night.